Hi, everybody. I want to thank Jamie so much for helping me for this donation. Right now, here we have the COVID too much here. Data is only us. Data is no good for us. So now we are in the house. All the companies closed. Too much companies not working anymore. I'm in the house. I'm struggling here now. So I don't have any work to do now. I'm struggling. Please help me for this donation for this poultry farm. I want to open the poultry farm. Please help me for this donation. Now you have too much COVID here. I can't use the motorbike to work now for taxi. Now I'm struggling here. Please help me. I want to thank everybody also helping me for this donation. I pray for everybody, all kind of this COVID. Now I'm struggling. Please help me. Please, I'm begging you, please help me for this donation. Now we don't have any material coming from China. Now all the material is not coming anymore because when the material is coming from China, it's not coming. So please help me. Please help me. Please help me for this donation. I can't work now. I can't work anymore. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I can't use the motor to work as the taxi now because you have the COVID and data here is well as. Please, I'm begging you. Thank you.